If you're serious about exploring the deep or dark web or analyzing cyber tools, you need a place to do it safely. That place is a virtual lab. Think of it as your digital sandbox. Isolated, disposable, private. A space where you can test tools, explore onion sites, and handle suspicious files without risking your real system. Here's how to build one. Step 1. Choose a base machine. Use a computer that isn't tied to your personal identity or daily use. Ideally, a second device that you can dedicate entirely to lab work. Never use your main laptop or work computer. Step 2. Install virtualization software. This is the foundation of your lab. Two popular tools: VirtualBox, free and open source; VMware Workstation Player, also free for non-commercial use. These apps let you run operating systems inside virtual machines, completely separated from your host system. Step 3. Choose your virtual OS. Here's where privacy and purpose meet. For general browsing and testing, use Tails OS, designed for anonymity and leaves no trace. Or Cubes OS, ideal for strong compartmentalization. For malware analysis or deeper system testing, use Kali Linux or Remnux, loaded with security tools. Make sure the virtual machine has no shared folders or clipboard access with the host system. Step 4. Lock it down. Disable networking for non-essential virtual machines. Use Tor or a VPN inside the VM, or both. Turn off integration features like drag and drop or copy-paste. Snapshot your VM before each session so you can roll back if something breaks. Step 5. Add essential tools. Depending on what you're doing, install a secure browser like Tor or hardened Firefox, network monitoring tools, Wireshark, TCP dump, file analysis tools, VirusTotal Uploader, hex editors, PE Studio. Optional: a dummy crypto wallet for practicing Monero or Bitcoin transactions with no real funds. Everything should be compartmentalized and never connected to your real accounts, data, or identity. Step 6. Practice OPSEC inside your lab. Even though it's virtual, your habits still matter. Don't use real names or login credentials. Don't reuse passwords. Don't store sensitive data inside the VM. Always wipe or revert to snapshots. Bonus tip: use an external network adapter. This keeps your virtual lab's traffic separate from your main machine and allows extra flexibility with routing through VPNs or Tor bridges. A $10 USB Wi-Fi adapter can go a long way in keeping your environment split. Remember, your virtual lab is more than a tech setup. It's a mindset. Test, explore, learn, but always with discipline and separation. Because once you have a safe environment, the dark web becomes something you can study, not just fear.